Good morning, Christy and Jimbo here from Crimbo's Chronicles. We are going on a hike to Mossbrae Falls. Slightly illegal because we have to walk along the Pacific Union train tracks for a little bit. Not long though. Let's go check it out.
See the other falls.
There was a picture of it at the beginning.
Yeah. There's also these
I hear them.
four Hedge Creek Falls.
Oh. They got multiple waterfalls right next to each other, I guess?
I guess so.
Yeah, I was thinking the people in the parking lot didn't look like the type that would walk along railroad tracks. So maybe this isn't the right place. When you talked to the cop, did you say Mossbrae? Or did you just say falls?
I think I just said the falls. Because I didn't know this thing.
All right, so I guess we're not hiking to Mossbrae Falls. Trail to Falls. Yeah. I think it would be helpful. Morning.
You can just walk right behind them.
Thank you. They're doing a news story on it. Oh, this is cool. Wow. We're on the news. That was kind of cool to walk behind it. Super pretty. The news crew is kind of blocking the best spot to see all this stuff, but oh, whoa, what's that about? We started a hike to a different waterfall and got surprised. There's handprints all over the side of the mountain. I wonder what that's about. So we didn't do any research on this hike. We accidentally started a hike that we didn't know about, anything about. But this is beautiful. You know, Mossbrae Falls was an illegal hike anyway, so I guess we're calling it safe today. We tried to do another hike today, Pluto's Cave, and all the stuff about that one, the reviews and everything were all sketchy. It's right next to a bunch of old pot farms, and there are like cartel people protecting those farms. Is it a poop pipe? Any place to graffiti though. At least they didn't graffiti the trees. It's a pretty hike though. The bottom. Oh. It's pretty clear.